the last video, a lot of you were discussing how this magic trick box works, and the most comments I saw said it is magnets, which is a really good guess, but not close at all. In this video, I will try to explain its mechanics to you, and hopefully it will make sense. So let's start by assembling the box so I can show you the inside part that makes the magic happen, which is this piece. As you can see, we can move it up and down in a certain range, and it has 4 slots in total, 3 short and 1 long. Let's label them A, B, C, and X. So after putting on the covering parts, this is what the magic trick box looks like from the outside. Now, only slot X can be seen. Before performing the magic trick, the next thing we need to do is hide 3 small pen pieces into slot A, B, and C. Then we're ready. As the whole pen goes into slot X, we lift the middle box, which moves the inside part upwards, reveals slot ABC, and hide slot X at the same time. If you look carefully enough, you can actually see the slots shifting inside. Now you know the mechanics behind this magic trick, let's see the whole process one more time. So, the whole pen goes in, we lift the middle box, and the pen is divided into 3 what the?